Mary, Queen of Scots, had one of the most dramatic lives of any queen in history. Born in 1542, Mary was the daughter of King James V of Scotland and his wife, Mary of Guise. She became queen at the age of just 6 days old when her father died, and she ruled over a kingdom that was in the midst of a religious revolution. Mary was a Catholic in a Protestant country, and when she married her cousin, King Philip II of Spain, the Scottish people were outraged. They forced her to flee to England in 1568. There she lived in exile for the next 19 years, plotting revenge against her cousin, Elizabeth I, who had become Queen of England. In 1587, Mary was finally executed for treason, but her story didn't end there. Her son James inherited the throne of Scotland and went on to become the King of England and Ireland too. For more royal mishaps, including a royal pig assassination, watch the series in the description.